Gualberto Piolo Andre A. BSMT S1 Delta presenting Lab 3 Basic Safe Operation of Chemical Oil Tanker. First is preparation for loading. The cargo tanks are normally inspected and approved prior to loading. This does not necessarily relieve the vessel of responsibility for contamination. The master or the owner carries the responsibility in taking due care of the cargo. To protect one's own interests, the vessel own inspection should be recorded in the deck log. Master must ensure that the precautions required by the company safety management system and relevant checklist are fully observed. Second, loading. Prior to loading, the relevant tanks and associated loading equipment must be checked for technical readiness and their acceptability for the next cargo. Before loading any cargo, check certificate of fitness, heating requirements, cargo, and coating. Compatibility and density. Make sure that you can load it. Strictly review cargo documents including viscosity and melting point. Systematically review MARPOL requirements before preparing tank cleaning plan. Voyage orders, cargo instructions, charter party must always be reviewed by master. Data from tank cleaning guides must be systematically reviewed as guidance for crew despite master and chief officer are the first responsible officers for the cargo operations. Other members of the cargo team should report any doubt with regards to cargo operation under progress. Third is deballasting. It is very essential in ships. It is an operation keenly supervised by ship officers to maintain vessels stability. This is very crucial. It keeps the ship upright by compensating the distribution of weights. Fourth is transport. Cargoes carried by a chemical tanker differ widely in characteristics and mode of handling, and thus in the care they require during transit. During the voyage, attention must be paid to the special needs of cargoes. Preparation for discharge. Ensure cargo's temperatures. Correct high velocity and solidifying substance. Continue, reduce, close tank heating on relevant tanks. Switch on, high. Level alarms and test. Prefer the level gauging system. Check if PV valves are working and PV line clear. Prepare for the vapor return line if required. 6. Discharge. Ensure that all gas detection equipment, both fixed and portable, is in operation and calibrated with the required gases. It may, in some circumstances when loading or discharging toxic and flammable cargoes, be necessary to organize gas checks of some deck areas at regular intervals with portable gas detection equipment. Check that sufficient toxic gas detectors are on board. 7. Inerting. Inert gas system is the most important integrated system for oil tankers for safe operation of the ship. Inert gas system spreads the inert gas over the oil cargo hydrocarbon mixture, which increases the lower explosion limit LEL or lower concentration at which the vapors can be ignited, simultaneously decreasing the higher explosion limit HEL or higher concentration at which vapor explodes. 8. Ballasting. It is very essential in ships. It is an operation keenly supervised by ship officer to maintain the vessel stability. This is very crucial. It keeps the ship upright by compensating the distribution of weights. 9. Tank cleaning. Most tank cleaning can be done with hot or cold seawater or fresh water, or by ventilation alone, although a few cargoes require special solvents. Tank inspection ensures that the safety of integrity of above ground storage tanks be preventing accidental leaks and avoiding costly decontamination while providing critical data so lifetime and repair prediction can be made.